Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to put multi-line tile watermark in a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file. Now select edit option and select a watermark option and click on this add watermark option and type this text watermark box or watermark name. I'll type a watermark. Here you can choose watermark size, percentage. You can make it bold, italic, and also you can choose watermark color. I'll make this color. And also you can add your custom font size as font style. I make it Arial. And this one. Also I'll make it bold, italic. And this is watermark position. And also you can choose watermark position. This is. I make it center. And finally you will find this style option. Click on this style and this style watermark now added, and this style watermark space between I'll increase this space 5, this row space and this column space also I'll make it 4, and see this also you can increase this space, make it 7, this one also 6. See this, you can change the rotation, you can custom rotation type here 27, and see this I'll make it 45, and this watermark transparency as in foreign always selected and all pages. Now simply select apply and see this multi-line tile watermark now added all of these pages. And finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.